Hello, welcome back once again. We have a simple question here to solve. A gas at a pressure of 10 raised to power 5 Newton per meter square expands from 0.6 meter cube to 1.2 meter cube at constant temperature. The work done is, that is, we are asked to calculate the work done, right? Now, if you recall that based on gas law, work done is equivalent to which of the gas law? Work done is equivalent to Boyle's law, right? Good. If you recall, or if you've forgotten, know this, that work done is equivalent to what? Boyle's law, right? So how are we going to calculate work done that is equivalent to Boyle's law? The principle is very simple. Work done is equal to pressure times change in volume. That is the principle, right? So let's bring out what is given in the question. A gas at the pressure, this is the pressure here. So I have my P is equal to 10 exponential 5 Newton meter per square, right? Expand from, this is the first volume. I have my V1 equal to 0.6 meter cube to my V2 is equal to 1.2 meter cube. This is my V2 here at a constant temperature. Calculate the work done. Therefore, work done is equal to what? The work done is equal to pressure times change in volume, right? This can be expressed as what? P times what? Open bracket V2 minus V1. This is how to express our change, right? So let's substitute our values and see. My P here is 10 exponential 5, right? Which is the same thing as this, which is the same thing as 100,000, right? Good. Times change in my volume now. I have 1.2 minus 0.6. Good. So what I'm going to have there is this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Times open bracket. Now 1.2 minus 0.6 is simple 0.6, right? So if I multiply this, what I'm going to have is I should have, this is 6.0 times 10 raised to power 4 joules based on my work done, right? Good. You see, very simple. Please do well to like, follow, subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Bye. So look at this other question. What I have here is a gas with initial volume of 2 times 10 raised to power minus 6 meter cube is allowed to expand to 6 times its initial volume at constant pressure of this, right? The work done is, you recall that work done is what? Pressure times change in volume. That work done is equivalent to what? Boyle's law. So how am I going to solve this? Take note of the question. The initial volume, which is my V1, right? My V1, I have my V1 is equal to 2 times 10 raised to power minus 6 meter cube, right? Is allowed to expand to 6 times its initial volume. So my V2 now, my V2 is equal to what? 6 times its initial volume. That is, my V2 is equal to 6 times my V1, which is 2 times 10 raised to power minus 6 meter cube, right? Good. Now my pressure is given as P is given as 2 times 10 raised to power 5 Newton meter per cube. Good. Now the next thing is, what is the relationship? Work done is equal to pressure times change in volume, right? Good. So what I'm going to have P is equal to V2 minus V1. Good. So you put, sorry, this is times P times V2 minus V1, right? So the next thing you do is impute your values, right? You perform this one, subtraction, you multiply by the pressure. Do and check if your answer is in the option here. Let me know. Drop your answer at the comment. Let me know. Thank you.